One of the videos that I am the most proud of is my original Twitch to TikTok video that I made using Canva, and I loved it because it was so easy. What if I told you I found an even easier way using just your phone? Let's get into it. Does your stream need healing? Then you've come to the right place. I'm Dr. Heals and I am your content cleric. And on this channel, we teach you how to make your stream blow up on an absolute budget. One of the best ways to do that, one of the fastest growing platforms out there right now is TikTok. Now, what if we could take our Twitch clips using just our phone and turn them into TikToks that will harness thousands and thousands of views and direct that traffic back to our Twitch? Then we could see some pretty epic growth, right? In this video, I want to show you guys how to use a new app called Lowkey that I literally just found out about, but it makes this process so simple. And then I want to show you another app called Trend Talk, where you can find the top trending sounds in your particular niche. Using these in combination, I think is going to make for some epic TikToks that will eventually lead to growth, right? So with that said, let's share my phone screen. All right, here we go. There it is. Ignore all of the notifications. Yes, I'm terrible at notifications. And before I jump into this, I do want to say there is one video that I have made that I went all the way through the tutorial and I never posted because it was too complicated. And that was my previous Twitch to TikTok phone tutorial, okay? I've tried this once already and it did not work. I'm sorry, I love Canva, but doing it on mobile was very difficult. So I never even posted that video. That's why I'm so excited about this one, because it makes it so easy. And we all have time to do this on our phone. So first thing you're gonna do, if you're not already, if you don't already have it on your phone, is download Lowkey. That is the icon you have right there. Once you've downloaded Lowkey, you're gonna have to sign up using your Twitch account or something, and you're gonna see, we're already gonna see things start auto playing. It has a very TikTok-like interface, but I kind of dig it. Either way, all you gotta do is hit that plus sign. It's gonna say My Clips, so if you've uploaded anything, it's there. What I've been doing is I've just went to Twitch Clips, and all I've gotta do is actually type in my username. And so I'm just gonna type in Dr. Heals. Now, it already has all of my clips right here. Now, we'll say this, it doesn't have all of your clips. And so if there's one in particular you don't see here, go to your Twitch channel on the Twitch app and get the URL, and then you can just paste the URL in here, and it'll pull that clip up specifically. But for now, I'm just gonna grab a random one. Let's go with this one, my first ever Fortnite win, right? I'll just go with this one right here. It's my first ever Fortnite win. It'll take you just a minute to import it. Once you're here, all you have to do is tap that little button down at the bottom left, right there, and it zooms it in. So now it is already full screen. Super simple, right? And we can kind of adjust it right here. If we want it to start a little bit later, which I know this is a slower clip, so I'm gonna start a little bit later. Yep, right there works with me. So now I'm just gonna press that little red button up there. Now we're gonna see this button that says crop overlay. All we're gonna do is we're gonna click that and we're gonna find our camera, right? And you're just gonna use this to zoom in, crop it just on your camera, just like this. Just like that, you're gonna click done. You're gonna figure out where you want your camera, right? Now, I'm gonna make mine quite a bit bigger, and I just want it to be kind of in this top point of the screen. Let's see, something like that. Actually, let's just make it fill this whole top of the screen here. Just like that. Yep. Now we're gonna click next. Go ahead and add some sort of title. And I'll just call it Fortnite win. My first Fortnite win. I'm gonna save a copy to my camera roll and I'm gonna click publish. Okay, and right there you have it. There is our Twitch clip turned into a TikTok. The camera is already in place. That's a pretty good looking one. But I've been doing a lot of research on growing on TikTok, and though I haven't fully implemented it, I have learned a lot of the ways to get your videos to blow up. And the number one is to use a trending sound. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna use another app now called Trend Talk. So if you haven't already, type in Trend Talk. That'll be the icon just like that. There are some free features, but if you're looking to grow on TikTok, I will tell you that the pro version of this is absolutely worth it. I receive recommended sounds and trends every single day. You can see there's a personalized for you section. And so you're gonna go and find the sound that you wanna use. I'm gonna go ahead, if you go down here to actually categories, if we scroll across, there is a gaming category. Where is it? Right there. So there is a gaming category, and it gives you all of the top sounds, and it'll also show you some of the information, if it is, you know, trending up or if it's trending down. Or I really like these right here with the blue dots. This is theorized to trend. And so if you can catch this before it actually trends and be one of the first people, you could really blow up. And so now I would listen through a couple of these. I'll just press the play button. Okay, and unfortunately how I'm mirroring my screen, I can't hear it, but you get the idea. I would go through and find the sound that I want to use, or if I just wanted to make a trending video. So if you decide to get Trend Talk and you want to use it outside of gaming videos or outside of turning your Twitch clips into TikToks, and you just want to find a trend, one way you can do this is what I've been doing is finding trends and figuring out a way that I could do that trend in my particular niche, which I'm still figuring out. But one way you can do that is you can click the song, and if you click that little square with the arrow, it'll take you to TikTok and it'll show you that sound. And so then you can go through and kind of look and see how people are using that sound, what kind of trends they're doing with it. And from there, you can press that button and use the sound yourself, right? And you're good to go. That is a quick and easy way to make a trending video, which if you're on TikTok at all, you know how popular and how big trends are. A lot of channels blow up just from trends. And so if you don't have the hours to scroll through TikTok and figure out what all the trends are, because I'm telling you guys, I can never keep up with what's trending on TikTok. That's why I love Trend Talk. Everything is right here. It even has like the personalized for you, top sounds in your area, your categories, whether you're in gaming or spiritual education, anything that you want, it's here. And so use the method that I showed you using Lowkey to convert your Twitch clips into TikToks, and then choose a trending sound to go underneath it, and just keep these things rolling out. Keep using the trending sounds. You do some of the trends if you can find one that'll fit your niche, and keep putting it out there. And this is an excellent way to grow, on TikTok. Just look at my boy, Deadly Dill Gaming, who is absolutely popping off on TikTok and on his path to partner. So if that's just one example that I can give you. Anyway, guys, I do hope this was helpful. I will say, I think this method is actually easier than my Canva method. But the Canva method does allow for more customization. You can add in words and effects, and you know, if you really get deep in the editing, you can make other cool stuff happen. But this is a great option if you have, you know, 20 minutes to kill. You can convert a bunch of your clips into TikToks and schedule those out to post, and there's some, you know, growth just right there. All right, guys, I hope that was helpful. I can't wait to see what you come up with. If you want to show me, you can leave your TikTok down in the comments to this video. I'd love to come check your guys out, see what you're coming up with. Also, if you want to share anything, you can join the Discord and post in there in the share your art category. And as always, guys, if you're not already, be sure to follow me over on Twitch. I stream every Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday pretty late at night. So if you're on night out, come hang out with me sometime. Let me know if these videos are helping you, or if you just want to hang out, chat, play some Apex or something. Let's get it. All right, guys, appreciate it. I'll see y'all in the next one. It's so sour.
Your eyes are watering.
Oh, gosh, this is worse than anything hot we just ate.
No, see, I like this because it goes away. When you eat the sauce, it just stays in your mouth for a long time and it's stupid.